make our smoothie with matcha today. Matcha is green tea, but it is, the leaves are covered for 20 to 30 days by the farmers so that they get more amino acids and more chlorophyll. And then once they're done, they take out all the veins and stems and they powder it. This has more antioxidants than regular green tea. It also has more caffeine. But it's great for protecting your liver, for protecting your heart, your brain. Antioxidants they just help you at a cellular level. And it also promotes fat burning and can help you with weight loss. So this is a good, powerful little powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of matcha. I'm also going to use flax seeds in this smoothie. This is another very powerful antioxidant. Flax seeds also have a lot of fiber, tons of omega-3 fatty acids, really, really good for your brain. It helps you regulate hormones, very good stuff. I'm going to use coconut milk because I have it open. You can use any milk you want for this. So I'm going to put about a cup in here. Guys, I'm using this personal little blender from the Cocinare brand. I got sent this for review and kind of got disconnected with the people, but I now saw that they're selling it on Amazon for $49. So we're gonna give it a try as we'll make some smoothies in this, okay? I'm gonna add about 3/4 cups of frozen berries. That was strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. I froze a banana. I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. That'll give us the sweetness. All right, let's give this a go. Look, it has measurements on the sides as well. This comes with a lid that has a cover on it. So this is cool because you can just take this and enjoy it whenever you want. This is pretty thick because of the frozen fruit, so you could always make like a smoothie bowl with this, or you can just wait for it to thaw a little bit and it'll be perfect for drinking. The point is, this is excellent for your health. Oh, and that is extremely tasty. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.